Welcome everyone! Today we are proud to introduce Laser Brew, a new brand created to redefine espresso extraction through innovation, precision and engineering. Laser Brew combines advanced laser perforation and laser welding technology with the IMS long-lasting expertise in coffee filtration system. Our mission is simple: to develop a new generation of filters and shower screens capable of delivering better, more consistent espresso extraction for both professional and coffee enthusiasts. The coffee world has evolved drastically over the last few years. Baristas and coffee lovers are constantly searching for higher consistency, greater control over extraction, and new ways to enhance flavor clarity in the cup. Traditional mechanical manufacturing technology have reached important limits in terms of flexibility and precision. This is where Laser Brew comes in. By using laser perforation technology, we can achieve a never-seen-before level of accuracy in both hole positioning and hole diameter. This allows us to design entirely new extraction geometries and experiment with different flow dynamics, creating different extraction profile while using the same coffee. The result is a greater control, improved uniformity, and the possibility to unlock new sensory experiences in espresso. Laser Brew is designed for professional barista looking for maximum extraction consistency, specialty coffee shop focused on quality and experimentation, coffee enthusiasts and non-baristas seeking premium performance, espresso machine manufacturer interested in the next generation component, and coffee professional who value innovation, precision, and ease of maintenance. Innovation is not only about the coffee itself, it is also about usability and design. Through laser welding technology, IMS has integrated the screw directly into the shower screen. This solution offers several important advantages: easier installation and removal, a completely smooth shower surface, improved cleaning and maintenance, and enhanced durability and mechanical precision. And also for the E61 group head, Laser Brew introduced another key innovation. The shower screen can be mounted and removed without having to remove the gasket. A small detail that makes a big difference in everyday workflow. Laser Brew was created with one clear vision: bringing industrial precision engineering into the future of coffee extraction. We believe that every detail matters in espresso preparation and that technology can help barista achieve higher consistency without compromising creativity. Our goal is not simply to produce components, but is to create tools that allows coffee professionals to push extraction further than ever before. Laser Brew is where technology meets coffee passion, precision, innovation, extraction reimagined. Welcome to the future of espresso. Laser Brew, designed by light.